Welcome to Shamshati Dedicated English Medium School, Mandat Online Classes. Myself, Deshmukh Apeksha. Student, in previous lecture, we see kind of sentence. And in this topic, we see some types of sentence. Means first is assertive sentence, then we see interrogative sentence, and in last lecture, we see interrogative sentence for subtypes. Which for subtype? We see WH question tag, and then alternative question. So we see some subtypes of interrogative sentence. But now in this lecture we see third type of sentence, name is exclamatory sentence. So student, first we see definition of exclamatory sentence. So I read definition, listen carefully. A sentence that expresses sudden strong feelings or excitement or emotions of the speaker is called an exclamatory sentence. Again, listen carefully. I read once again this definition. A sentence that expresses sudden strong feeling or excitement or emotions of the speaker is called an exclamatory sentence. So student, when we see some surprise, some very beautiful thing, we express our sudden feeling or our emotions at that time, we use exclamatory sentence. And this is very important. We use an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. So student, this is exclamation mark. See carefully like this. At the end of the exclamatory sentence, at that time we use this mark. Okay, and this is called exclamation mark. So students, you understand definition of exclamatory sentence. Now we see some examples of exclamatory sentence. So first example is what a pleasant surprise. Then we use exclamation mark. Then second example, hurry, hooray, beyond the match. So student, in this sentence we use not end of the sentence exclamation. We use here. So if a sentence introduction, hooray is a introduction at that time. After introduction we use exclamation mark and not the end of the sentence. Okay. Then third number sentence. How clever you are. Then how big your school is, and then we use exclamation mark. Then what nonsense. Then what a smart girl you are. So student, when we see some surprise, some beautiful thing, at that time you speak or you use this sentence. What a pleasant surprise means we express our feeling, we express our excitement. So we use this sentence. What a pleasant surprise. So we use here exclamation mark. Then hooray means when we become a winner, at that time we gatherly make noise. Hooray, beyond the match. So we use here exclamation mark. Then how clever you are means when we see more clever girl, more clever boy, at that time you said like this. How clever you are. So this is exclamatory sentence. Then how big your school is. When we see very big school, at that time your sudden expression is how big your school is. So this is exclamatory sentence. Then what nonsense means in school, in our friends, your friend is like bad behavior, bad manners, at that time you say like this. What nonsense. So this is exclamation. We use here exclamation mark, and this is exclamatory sentence. Then what a smart girl you are. When we see or we look at some very smart girl, very intelligent girl, at that time we use what a smart girl you are, and we use exclamation mark. So student, when we observe and we notice that in all this sentence, so